Alyssa LeBlanc here. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make venison donair meat. Donairs are famous here in the east coast end of Nova Scotia. I'm going to take this classic dish and put my spin on it. Alright, so we have some ground venison here. So we are going to start with that. I'm going to put it in the food processor because it's easier. And I'm going to add all my other ingredients. Now I'm going to turn my food processor on and mix this as well as I can. You want it really mixed well. If you don't have a food processor, you can knead this like bread for a good 10 minutes. Now you can put this in the oven at about 350 for around an hour, but today I'm going to put this on my Traeger grill smoker. I have the Traeger set at 285 and I'm going to cook it until the internal temperature is between 150 and 160. While we wait for the meat to cook, we're going to make a delicious sauce to accompany the donair meat, and that is donair sauce. Perfection. Now for the hardest part, waiting for this to cool down to room temperature and popping it in the fridge before slicing into it. It's recommended that you leave it in the fridge overnight before slicing into it, but I'm hungry. All right, so a typical donair, you take the meat, you put it on a pita bread, put donair sauce, tomatoes, some people put lettuce, and you eat it like that. That's not the way I prefer. My favorite way to eat it is actually on pizza, but you can do anything between grilled cheese, subs, poutines, anything you want. So I made pizza. That's my favorite way to eat it. Venison donair pizza, donair sauce. Cheers. Oh yeah. Absolutely delicious.